Let's continue a little further with polylines. I'll get some blank real estate here. Again, polyline is a sideways J. Just like any other object, it'll obey whatever the setting or the properties are on the current layer when you create it. You can change the layer of a polyline the same as changing a layer of a line or a circle. So let's click on the polyline with dynamic input, polar tracking, and object snaps on, again with Burgener's 5 favorite object snaps. Let's start a polyline, click somewhere. We'll set it at 0 as it currently is from practicing here, and just draw a floor plan real quick. Say, I don't know, 50 feet. We'll say an AutoCAD unit represents a foot now. 30 straight up. Say 20 to the left, 15 straight up, 20 to the right. I'm sorry, 20 to the left. Whoa, okay, say 20 down. Looks like 10 to the left, and C for close will get us a rough floor plan using an AutoCAD unit representing a foot. We can always scale it up by a factor of 12 if we want to revert back to an AutoCAD unit represents an inch. Again, a polyline is a single object. You can grip edit it by grabbing the corners. You can slide an entire polyline around. You can right click on it and convert it to an arc, or right click on it and hover a cursor on it to add a vertex. Let's undo, hit escape to bail out and get back where we were. The point I want to show is you can offset polylines and very easily make inner and outer lines for a building, inner and outer walls, that is. Click on the offset icon, lower right of the modify panel. Specify the offset width. 0.5 foot is close, maybe a little low, but let's say 0.5 units for the offset between the lines to represent a wall that's a half a foot thick. Hit enter, select the polyline. Last part of the offset process is which side do you want to offset on, inside or outside. I've been assuming we start with the outside of the house or floor plan. Let's click inward. You can still stretch, much like we did in an earlier video. I can stretch this up, say 5 feet. S enter for stretch, or use the icon, say 5 feet to the left. Say we want to put some interior walls in. Well, we can just begin with polyline anywhere. O snap NEA to a near point. Object snap tracking will let us start so many feet from a corner. Go some distance, come down. I'm not taking critical measurements here. Say here's a room, PER for perpendicular, since it's not running. There might be our I don't know, walk-in closet, bathroom, whatever. We'll offset that as well. I'll leave the same width setting for offset as 0.5. I'll hit enter, select the new polyline, and click in. We still need to clean up a few ends like this, just like when we drew a floor plan with lines a few videos ago. I'll hit enter or exit to terminate the offset command. Let's launch the trim command on the modify panel. Everything can be a cutting edge for this quick operation, so I'll hit enter to accept the default. Come back in here and nibble away that little piece and nibble away that, and we're on our way to getting a floor plan. Got to insert windows and doors yet. Almost out of 5 minutes time. See you next video.